Steps to check fundamentals on the NSE website. In this video, I am going to show you how you can check the fundamentals of any stock that you want to invest. First of all, I would like to take you through this process, and then I will show you the practical way to check the company's information in the NSE website. Stay tuned to this video till the end. Visit the NSE website. Open the official NSE website www.nseindia.com, and there you can search for the company. Use the search bar at the right top corner of the page. Type the name or ticker symbol of the company and select it from the drop down list. Access the company information page there. No worry, I am going to show all this in a practical way. After selecting the company, you will be directed to its company's information page. This page contains various tabs such as corporate information, financial results, shareholding patterns, and other fundamental data about the company. Now, go to the financial results tab to see quarterly and annual financial statements. You can also check there the balance sheet and profit loss statements for insights into the company's financial health. You can also check the key ratio sections like EPS, PE ratio, ROE, etc. No worry, I will tell you what are these metrics like EPS, PE ratio or ROE. Then check announcements and filings. There also you can have corporate announcement section to review important filings, what are the dividends the company has offered, and board meetings. Some different information will be there. You can also go for some different pages like money control, where they give the comparison between the peer companies. Now let's know about what are the metrics like. Net profit margin, NPM. It reveals profitability efficiency. Now revenue growth. This is one of the metrics we have to consider. Consistent growth indicates business expansion. Now what is debt to equity ratio? Helps assess financial stability. Return on equity, ROE, measures shareholders' returns. Earnings per share indicates profitability per share. Okay, now let's get into the practical way of seeing this in the NSE website. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, now we have to go to www.nseindia.com. then click on this. It will redirect you to this site. Okay, here you have to type a company's name like LTI MINDTREE. Search on it. So you can see LTI MINDTREE Limited is here. Click on this LTI MINDTREE. Here the information about the company. You can see the dashboard here. Announcement XBRL, the annual reports, board meetings, corporate actions, corporate governance. In this, we have to go through the financial results. Okay, so I would like to show you what is the financial results for the quarterly basis. For example, 30th September 2024, which is a quarter from June to September. In this September quarter, they are having 1,63,610 lakh rupees profit before tax. Okay, so this amount includes tax. So after paying the tax, they are having a profit of 1,22,020 rupees. So this is the net profit they have earned in the last quarter. Likewise, you can see from 30th September 2023. So see here, 1,13,000, 1,13,000, 1,09,000, 1,10,000. There are small low fluctuations here, but we can ignore them. This indicates that this stock is moving consistently upwards, step by step upwards. Okay, you can have the detailed report in these notes tab. So let's go to the corporate actions. This is very important. It has given the interim dividend 20 rupees per share. So dividend in the sense, at some point of time in the year they are going to give you 20 rupees. If you are a shareholder in this company, they will give you 20 rupees per share. For example, if you are having 100 shares of LTI Mindtree, you are going to get 2000 rupees overall dividend. Okay, 100 shares into 20, you are going to get 2000 rupees for that particular time. So you can see dividend, there is interim dividend and dividend. The dividend here is 45 rupees per share, which is if you assume you are having 100 shares, 100 into 45 for 4500 rupees. This is the benefit of investing in these strong financially good companies from Nifty 50. So here we are going to have so many things. Here we have annual reports. By clicking on this, you are going to see the annual report from 2023 to 2024. Okay, in this way you have to analyze the company's important things. One thing I would like to see every time when I invest in any stock is, you can see here, as I explained this ROE in this video itself earlier, return on equity. Return on equity is 25%. Okay, which is a good sign to invest in this stock, where the revenue you can see here 3,55,170 million, and after tax it has the gross profit of 45,846 million, which is a good sign. Likewise, we have different metrics to take care and take the decision to invest in any stock. Okay, so this is how you have to do analysis. There are many different metrics you have to take care of. In the future videos, I am going to tell you what are the very important metrics you have to consider before investing in any stock. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I am going to show you the next investment, my own investment. And stay tuned to this channel if you want to learn how to invest by your own. Thank you so much.